High in the Himalayas, travelers whisper about a road where machines lose their minds. Phones die without warning, compasses spin like possessed needles, and cars seem to defy gravity. This is Ladakh's magnetic hill, a place where science and myth collide. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary slope carved into the Leh-Kargil Highway. Stop your car at the marked spot, release the brakes, and the vehicle begins to roll forward, appearing to climb uphill. Tourists gasp, locals smile knowingly, and the legend of the magnetic mountain grows stronger with every visitor. Even seasoned drivers admit the sensation is unsettling, as if the laws of physics have momentarily vanished. Stories claim that compasses spin and smartphones glitch, but scientific studies show the magnetic field here is normal. The real explanation is a gravity hill illusion. The surrounding terrain tilts in such a way that a downhill slope looks uphill, tricking the human eye. Without a clear horizon, the brain struggles to judge angles, and even cameras can make the slope look deceptive. Weak satellite reception in the Himalayas adds to the confusion, making GPS signals falter and navigation apps fail. Magnetic Hill is one of several gravity hills worldwide, but its barren Himalayan backdrop makes the illusion especially convincing. The stark emptiness of Ladakh's landscape amplifies the mystery, leaving travelers with the eerie sense of being inside a mirage. Here, folklore and physics blend seamlessly, turning a simple stretch of road into a mystery that feels alive. What feels like sorcery is really a perfect storm of perception and geography. Still, standing there, watching a car roll uphill and a phone lose its signal, you can't escape the feeling that the mountain is a trickster, reminding us that even in the age of technology, nature still writes the rules. It is a place where science explains everything, yet wonder refuses to die. That's today's facts. Smash the like button, subscribe to 1 Minute Facts, and tell us in the comments what mystery you dare to explore next.